सो गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सुबह के बज चुके हैं 10 और आज तारीख है 28 ऑफ द सितंबर। और आज का वीडियो होने वाला है मोस्टली अबाउट द डाउट्स रिगार्डिंग द सिंपल एनर्जी स्कूटर। और it would be basically a Q&A session with Mr. Ruben, who is in charge of the showroom, or I can say owner of the showroom, and it would be a really interesting session, so stay tuned. तो जल्दी से आपको शोरूम में मिलते हैं। अगला सीन सीधा सिंपल एनर्जी के शोरूम पे। So here we are at the Simple Energy showroom. So let's start with the Q&A session very shortly. Ruben Karikar sir, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are here with the most awaited comments and their answers for my viewers. So depending on the comments that I got for that video, I have a few questions for my viewers, out of which the first question is people from North Goa are asking when they are getting a showroom in North Goa.
Yes, we are working on it. आम्ही काम चालू असते in a few weeks or months तुमकां नॉर्थ गोवानूय आमचो आउटलेट मेळटलो.
Okay, so
ऑल्सो तुमकां सर्विसूय मेळटली नॉर्थान, कित्याक लोक येवपाक तयार आसा. तर तुमकां क्वेश्चन आसता वेर इज द सर्विस कहाँ पे मिलेगा. सो वी अश्योर यू ऑल इन अ फ्यू वीक्स और मंथ्स you will get saved as well as service in the north.
okay, so people from North Goa will also get a showroom as well as the service for Simple Energy, Simple Showroom.
Yes.
Okay, that's a good news for the people from North Goa. Second question that we have is regarding the service, because once people take the scooters, they will always ask for the service. So what about the service of these scooters?
So regarding service, Simple Energy is very serious. We take service very seriously. Even the founder had come to Goa and he also had expressed his seriousness in giving good service to the customers. And when it comes to service, आमच्या मडगांव स्टोराक आमी ऑलरेडी सर्विस टेक्निशियन बी अपॉइंट केल्ले आसा आनी सर्विस एरियाय रेडी जाल्ली आसा. आनी आमचो एक इनिशिएटीव जे सिंपल एनर्जीन घेतला इज ताणी they have appointed one technician from their side who will be overseeing the service of all vehicles in Goa, and he is trained by Simple. He is already appointed and he will be coming to Goa just in 1 or 2 days. That is one good thing.
Okay. So service as of now, service center is available
It's
for
available.
South Goa.
It's available.
Okay.
All that equipment, tools, all are
And the
available.
trained technicians also.
Our technicians also have been trained,
Okay.
and a special trained technician from Bangalore
Okay.
will be coming
From
to
the
Goa.
company?
From the company side.
Okay.
Yes. So that just goes to say how serious the company is about service aspect.
Okay. The third most awaited question from the viewers is the waiting period. So how long has what is the waiting period for if a customer wants to buy this
Yes.
electric scooter?
So आता currently festive season will be on. So we have got enough vehicles
Okay.
to give delivery to customers who will make payments on time. But because of festive, there could be some kind of
Delays.
or could be the time period can be extended. But we are ensuring that by keeping good enough stock.
Okay.
So my request and suggestion would be if somebody wants to buy the vehicle, do come to our showroom, take a test ride, be assured, and then if you can do the booking and payment, we can try to give you a delivery at the earliest.
Okay. So waiting periods are not much.
Not much.
Okay.
Waiting period right now are not much, but going ahead because of festive, we cannot anticipate what kind of rush will be there for the product because we are seeing a lot of demand.
Okay.
But we from our side will ensure that customers will get good delivery within a short period of time.
Okay. The next question is regarding the charging stations and charging compatibility of the Simple One.
So currently the bike comes with a home charger. So
Okay.
you can charge the vehicle from your home. आप घर से
Okay.
अपना vehicle charge कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
और फास्ट चार्जिंग का अभी तक नेटवर्क पे काम चल रहा है. In a few years or months, the company will come up with probably a fast charging network like other brands.
Okay.
Currently, you get a home charger along with the vehicle.
Okay. So charging stations would be coming.
Yes, they could come in the future.
Okay.
Yes, the company has
And I guess they will be coming without any of this thing.
Yes, yes.
Okay. The next question is regarding the removable battery charger.
Yes, removable battery charger, the company worked on it, and soon that removable battery charger also will be available to customers. They can buy it as an additional accessory.
Okay. So it would not be the part of the.
No, no. With the vehicle, you will get one home charger. Within both your batteries will be charged.
Charge.
You charge it, you lock it to the vehicle,
Okay.
and your vehicles, both batteries will be charged.
Okay.
So you want a charger separately for the removable battery, then you have to buy it as an accessory.
Extra. Okay. And what would be the cost? Somewhere around.
Cost is something
Not yet
disclosed.
Disclosed.
Let us
Okay.
know.
Okay. And lastly, what about the finance options? If any customers want to buy on EMI.
The finance tie-ups are already done.
Okay.
So whoever customer comes to our showroom, he will get finance options.
Okay. So finance is also available.
Yes, finance is also
And
available.
what would be the down payment in case?
Down payment is a tune of around 40,000, 45,000.
Okay.
That range.
Okay.
It depends on your CIBIL score also. If the CIBIL score is very good, then there are some finance options which will be available where you have to pay very minimal down payment.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Ruben sir, for this information.
Most welcome. Thanks.
Hope you liked that scenery and hope you liked today's video too. Please do subscribe, share a comment, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे, जो भी आपको बुरा लगे. Regarding mic audio quality of the previous vlogs, very sorry for the audio. Upcoming videos, I have purchased a new product. Stay tuned for the unboxing and review, and hope that audio quality in the future vlogs would be definitely better. So please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Till then, signing off.